It's pretty unfortunate.
30,
Yeah,
like 45
1
minutes.
today is when.
I have to do homework and I really don't want to do homework, but I have. It's raining so hard. Last practice before the meet. Yay! Hey team, I'm back from practice. I had dinner and yesterday I didn't open this, so I'm gonna open it now. It's a portable power bank. Almost dropped it. So here, we've got a welcome guide and we've got the actual thing, and then a case for it, and its charger. It's USB-C. That's perfect. I'm just gonna rip it open. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so soft too. Okay, so I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm so tired, and it's 11:12. I need to go to sleep, so good night.